Priya is a 22-year-old MBA student in Mumbai. For 3 weeks, she had been building a bond which felt like a genuine friendship with someone she met on Instagram. He was charming, relatable, and never pushed her. फिर एक दिन he casually mentioned he had made 80,000 through a private trading platform and offered to show her how. She started small with just rupees 5,000. 4 दिनों में app showed her it had grown to 9,000 rupees. She was thrilled. फिर उसने 30,000 और डाल दिया. By the time her screen showed 65,000 in profits, she was all in. But when she tried to withdraw, the technical issue started. पहले एक tax fee, फिर एक processing charge. और जब तक प्रिया ये सब कुछ समझ पाती, her savings were gone. And so was Rahul. Here's the hard truth. That 65,000 she watched grow on her screen never actually existed. It was all just a number typed by the scammer to keep her depositing. Daraasal, these scammers rely on building trust and feeding our desires to make quick money. So here's how exactly this scam could have been avoided. Verify the broker. Legitimate Trading uses SEBI-registered brokers, never random links or private apps in DMs. Spot the fake map. Doubling money in just 10 days is an illusion, which only looks good in movies. Here's how realistic and unrealistic returns look like. Next, remember the golden withdrawal rule. Legit platforms deduct fees directly from your balance. Paying out of pocket to withdraw your funds is a guaranteed scam. Priya was trapped by the friend, but the next victim was hunted by the police itself. One evening, Karthik, an IIT student, got a terrifying call. A fake TRI officer claimed his SIM card was being deactivated. When Karthik asked for the reason, he said that 17 criminal complaints had been filed against his name. और अगर उसने कॉपरेट नहीं किया, तो फिर सीधे अरेस्ट हो जाएगा. जब तक कार्तिक कुछ समझ पाता, the call was moved to a WhatsApp video. He saw a man dressed in a full police uniform sitting in what looked like exactly a real police station. The officer told him he was under digital arrest. He wasn't allowed to disconnect, call his parents, or even move from his chair until the investigation was done. He spent the next 24 hours isolated on that call, terrified, doing everything he was told. And by the time they let him go, he had transferred over 7 lakhs to them. ये scam इतना ज़्यादा effective इसलिए है क्योंकि it does not ask you to trust a stranger. It asks you to fear the government. Scammers use panic to shut down your logic. Look, digital arrest is a completely made up term. Indian law में ये कहीं exist ही नहीं करता है. Official agencies like TRI, CBI or local police will never interrogate you, serve warrants or demand clearance fines over a WhatsApp or a Zoom video call. Third, legitimate authorities will never stop you from calling a lawyer or your parents. If someone says you cannot call them, cut the call immediately. But what's more dangerous than a fake police officer is a loan that turns into a nightmare. Vikram, a 19-year-old engineering student, was broke mid-semester. इसलिए उसने कुछ ऐसा किया जो काफी लोग करते हैं. He searched Play Store for a quick loan. He found a 4.2 star app and blindly granted it access to his contacts, camera, and gallery just to get rupees 5,000 he desperately needed. What actually arrived was only rupees 4,200. Processing fee was quietly cut with a massive 7,500 repayment due in just 7 days. Vikram couldn't pay on the 7th day, and that's when the app stopped being a lender and became something far worse. It texted his mother, professor, and even his girlfriend, branding him as a fraud and threatened to leak fake photos to his entire contacts. इस तरह के फ्रॉड लोन एप्स का काम ही यंग लोगों को डिजिटली एक्सटॉर्ट करने का होता है. इसलिए द मोमेंट अ फाइनेंस ऐप आस्क्स फॉर एक्सेस टू योर गैलरी और कॉन्टैक्ट्स, अनइंस्टॉल इट इमीडिएटली. लेजिटिमेट लेंडर्स को सिर्फ आपका KYC डॉक्यूमेंट्स चाहिए, ना कि आपकी प्राइवेट लाइफ. ऑल्सो a 4.2 star rating means absolutely nothing because scammers can literally buy these fake reviews. And one more useful thing that very few know is to verify the app if it's officially linked to the RBI registered NBFC. If you can't find it on the RBI's list, it's an illegal operation. Finally, real loans run on standard monthly EMIs. 7 days का डेडलाइन आपके लिए एक ट्रैप है ताकि आप डर के मारे एक लोन चुकाने के लिए दूसरा लोन लें. But while Vikram was fighting for his privacy, the next victim was about to lose everything to a simple QR code. Neha, a 20-year-old commerce student from Pune, was trying to sell her old laptop on OLX for rupees 22,000. एक घंटे के अंदर a buyer messaged her, ready to pay the full amount immediately. He sent a QR code, Neha scanned it, and 1 rupee was instantly credited to her account. फिर उसने rest amount के लिए दूसरा QR भेजा. Neha scanned it again, typed in rupees 22,000, but the app asked her for her UPI PIN. She hesitated, but he smoothly claimed that for his business account, she needed to enter her PIN to receive amounts over 20,000. Desperate to get the money, Neha ने PIN डाला और उसे पेमेंट होने का मैसेज भी आ गया. But the confirmation wasn't what she thought, क्योंकि कोई पेमेंट आई ही नहीं. In reality, it went out. Every single rupee of it, straight to the scammer. Here's the hard truth. That 1 rupee test transaction was just a psychological trick to build trust, making her believe that the second QR code with the much higher amount would work the exact same way. These scammers rely on the excitement of a quick sale and a momentary lapse in attention. इसलिए keep this in mind. You only enter your UPI PIN to send money, never to receive it. There is no such thing as a business account feature that requires a PIN to accept funds. Second, scammers won't even bargain. They will almost always agree to your full asking price without any negotiations. अगर कोई ऑनलाइन डील बहुत जल्दी और परफेक्टली हो रहा है, वो भी सिर्फ एक QR कोड से, cancel it immediately. Losing your money is one thing, but what if the scammer isn't after your wallet, but your future? Meet Arjun. He's a final year BTech student in Delhi. वो अपने एग्जाम्स को लेके काफ़ी स्ट्रेस्ड है. He is looking at the last bit of savings his parents sent him for that specific semester. And then he hears this notification on his phone. Amazon. Work from home और महीने के 18,000 rupees. He thought, if I get this internship, I can cover all my costs easily. He paid the registration fee of 2,500. Then they asked for rupees 1,500 for a training kit and 3,000 for a background check. He was so desperate that he paid the rest too. पर पेमेंट करने के तुरंत बाद the call dropped. And so did Arjun's heartbeat. Here's the hard truth. That recruiter was a fraud. And the job never existed. Scammers आपके डर का फ़ायदा उठाते हैं और फेक स्कार्सिटी क्रिएट करते हैं जैसे कि only 5 seats remaining to make you act before you can even think. Reality में real companies never ask you to pay to get hired. If a job asks you for money before you even started, वो कोई opportunity नहीं बल्कि एक scam है. And one very important thing is that real HR use official company email IDs, not random WhatsApp or Telegram messages. 5 students, 5 cities, 5 scams. Which was so convincing, so carefully constructed that spotting them would have fooled almost anyone. These weren't careless kids. They just didn't know what to look for. You do now. So let's make sure you use it. Here are a list of things to do if you fall into a scam. Just take a screenshot of it and save it in your gallery. Share this video with every friend and cousin of yours in order to protect them from such scams.